Hey guys, today I wanted to show you my time machine and how I'm growing my plants inside. Okay, so these are the materials I use to create my artificial indoor farm. I want to point out, if you're going to use regular LEDs like I did, I grabbed these at Ace, you're going to need two sets. And the reason being is that one will emit blue light like this 5000K, and the other will emit red light like this 2700K. And this is important because in order to do photosynthesis properly, a plant needs both blue and red light. And if you don't cover both of them, then the plant will not fully be able to complete all of its processes. Okay, so I slapped some aluminum foil on the three walls and the floor down here. And this should help reflect the light from my clamp lights up top and give the tomato plants a little extra light that's bouncing around. As for the lights up here, I have three clamp lights right here, two desk lights because I didn't have any more clamp lights. And they're all running on the 60-watt light bulbs that I showed in the last clip. These three right here are running on the daylight 5000K, and these two right here are running on the soft white 2700K. Alright, and so these are what my tomato plants look like in the setup. These tomato plants I kept inside, moved them outside for a little bit, but all the time they were in natural lighting. It's only been the last couple days that I've kept them in this artificial lighting. I'm still getting flowers, and the tomatoes are still looking nice and healthy. I even had this guy go from green to almost fully ripe in the time that he's been here. I even have this caterpillar right here, and he's even looking pretty happy. So this is how I'm growing my Sweet 100 tomatoes inside. I had to include my basil in this shot because I'm so proud of it. It's beautiful. I think I'm gonna start some hot peppers in here with all the room I have. If you guys like this at all, or have any questions or have done something similar, let me know. I'd love to hear from you. But until then, have a good one.